We just smashed $100,000 again for Bitcoin. We watched it trickle the last few months down to 75K, and it just bounced back all the way to 100. Now, we've obviously seen these numbers before, but now my biggest fear is that we might not ever see Bitcoin below $100,000. We might see a little trickle here and there, but the reality is sats are getting harder and harder to get. And now I do a weekly buy. I try and get 100,000 sats a week, and that is getting more and more expensive. And even for my smash buys, when I have some spare cash, trying to get 1,000,000 sats for $1,000 is so hard, like especially in Australia. That is now nearly worth 1,600, so $1,600 just for 1,000,000 sats. And yeah, it's sort of pricing me out to stack sats, and it's pricing others out. But this is when you just appreciate the stack that you've already got and appreciate what you can get. And I think any price sort of below $1,000,000 is still early, it's still cheap. And so it's not going to change anything I'm doing. It's just acknowledge that any sats you can get under $100,000 or any sats you can get around this price, it's sort of be grateful for that, because we're going to see some serious price movement, I'd say this year, next year, and potentially we're not going to see it bounce back down to these low numbers. So yeah, I appreciate the time that we're in now. Lock in, get what you can. And yeah, just back on, this is on the back of my last video, but just be grateful that we could be in Bitcoin right now and be a part of this, because it's just such a small percentage of people that are acknowledging what Bitcoin is and buying as hard as they can. So it's kind of insane that I have more BTC than like the majority of millionaires around the world, which sounds stupid, but if the wealth really does sort of flip on its head, then yeah, the numbers we're going to see on BTC is just going to be ridiculous. Like, it's literally beyond your imagination. So guys, enjoy your days. Just go touch grass, enjoy it. And I'm rocking the orange work jumper today because BTC is at 100K, and it's also my uniform regardless. So yeah, enjoy guys. Thanks for watching. And yeah, stack sats.